talk Pokey Tools today, or as I like to call them, Pokey sticks. My daughter said, because I was teasing her, she said, "What are they for?" And I was telling her everything that they're for. And I said, "And also, they're shanks." She said, "Well, that's what they look like." No, not shanks. Pokey Tools, Pokey sticks. And for any of y'all that have ever used these, I just can't believe how much I use mine. I know that most people use them for weeding, but I also use them for tucking stuff, holding stuff down so that I don't get blisters all over my fingers from the hot glue, holding things in place, poking holes for the signatures for my junk journals, and as a stopper for my glue bottles, which I almost forgot to mention, but yeah, I love these things. Anyway, I made a bunch of them for my sale on Etsy on Thursday. And this video will not be up by then, but whatever doesn't sell on my Instagram sale, I will put in my Etsy shop. Or if you would like for me to custom make you one, I do that as well. I did custom make one. Let's see, let me get that one. Here. Her request was jewel tones. Got a little bit of glue there. Jewel tones, and she said she loves peacocks, so I thought both. Got jewel tones here. Got the peacock feathers. Got some loud barking dogs. Got some sequins and some glitteries and some beads, and I just love it, and I hope that she will too. And I've got to get the string of glue off of it. That just drives me insane. Glue is absolutely everywhere. For some reason my hot glue gun is stringing lately, and it used to not do that. I don't know what's up. So let's have a look at these. These were inspired by me, actually. I have looked everywhere for boho pokey sticks, and I couldn't find any, and so I have made my own set of shabby boho pokey sticks. Look at this cute little bow here. Some lace, sequins, and a bunch of really, really pretty beading. I just love that. I'll go this way. Another peacock jewel inspired one. Let me see if I'm close up enough here for y'all to get good looks. There we go. I did not hang any beads off of this one. Some of them have beads, some don't. Little green flower with pearl. Another cutest little bow. I love that purple. Blue, purple. So pretty. So sparkly. And look, y'all, I have some little miniature turkey trusses. That's what these are. These pins are turkey trusses. And this is a little miniature one. And I got a little red bow here. And I did it up Hello Kitty style. And we got a little Hello Kitty cup. And another little miniature one. I just love those colors, love them. That it reminds me of the one that I have in my Fabri-Tac bottle. The colors are really similar, and I love them. And I've got the most precious little swan dangly there. Why do my animals have to act up every time I turn on this camera? I swear they know. I got another little Hello Kitty, done all in pink. I just love that bead. And we got a bunch of dangles here that I've created. A little butterfly, and then a Hello Kitty dangle. Okay. Here we have another jewel tone, peacock inspired. This one has a tassel that I made. It's a little tiny tassel with a little emerald bead, and it also has the peacock feathers with a pretty bead strung from it. I didn't know which one to give to the person who placed a custom order, and my husband chose the other one, so that's the one that's going to her. This one, it just said Alice in Wonderland to me for some reason. Does anyone else see it, or is it just me? Hopefully someone else sees it and loves it. I love this shade of purple. Love it. And I've got a little ball with some stars dangling, a watch, because you'll know that the rabbit throughout Alice in Wonderland carries a watch. I'm late for an important date. And there he is. A little bit of lime green and pink with a little lime green flower, some more dangles there matching, and the most important one of all, look at that llama with the teeny tiniest, littlest tassel I have ever seen in my life. You know what, y'all? Is that a llama or an alpaca? I think these are alpacas. Are they llamas? What's over in Peru? Anyway, the ones over in Peru, they always, every time I've ever seen them, they have the little tassels on, and they're so cute. All right, y'all, educate me, and I do know what's over there. I love those things, and I can't think of it. All right, so here's a jewel tone peacock inspired one. I did it a little bit different. It's neither a bow nor danglies. It's wispy yumminess with the a shimmery little tiny piece of applique and a red rhinestone and beautiful jewel colored beads. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Here's another boho shabby inspired one. I think this is my favorite. I'm really tempted to keep it, and I might. I don't know. Look at the little bow and the pearl surrounded by the gold and the rhinestones. But is that not just the cutest bow with the most delicious colors? I love it. A little bulb with the same color in it, same peachy color. The flower dangles. I love it. And the more I look at it, the more I am inclined to keep that one. Here is another boho inspired. I love this bow. I love this bow also. And it's got some bead work and some, what are those things? The brain doesn't appear to be working right now. Anyway, some shinies and pretties on top of a flower and laces. And some beautiful, I love that crackled pink bead there. Lace bead and laden, y'all. Some of these I made certain because I wanted the beads to be the focus, and some of these are absolutely laden with beads. All right, y'all, that is the end of the pokey sticks that I wanted to show y'all, and y'all let me know if y'all are interested in any. Have a look at my Etsy, see if any are there. Like I said, if any are left over, that is where they will go. Until next time, y'all get y'all's creativity on. See y'all later.